Tatu Industrial Park broke ground on its 420-acre site, welcoming leading Kenyan and international companies to their new home in the light industrial area of Tatu City. Kenya's Cabinet Secretary for Industrialization and Enterprise Development, Adan Mohamed, officiated the launch event, which was attended by Kiambu County Governor William Kabogo and representatives of the US, Norwegian, British, and Australian embassies in Kenya. Tatu Industrial Park is a world-class light industrial zone, free from the congestion of central Nairobi and with easy access to transport arteries. Tatu Industrial Park provides unparalleled infrastructure and master planning to Kenyan, African, and global businesses. As a major investment in the Kenyan economy and a benchmark for visionary urban planning, Tatu City will provide tens of thousands of jobs for Kenyans and create a holistic development that eases the burdens of urbanization on central Nairobi. The Kiambu County government thanked Tatu City for choosing Kiambu County, noting that the development has helped to attract additional local and international investors to the county and will lead to improved business and living environments for its residents through planned development.
I'm profoundly happy and impressed by Jennings, by the things he's doing, but more so because it's happening right here in Kiambu. We cannot be happier than that. A little over 4 months ago, we stood on another section of these grounds at Tatu City as they launched the first phase of its mixed-use development. Today we congregate yet again to celebrate the commitment of tenacity of the developers of this ambitious, meticulous, planned, controlled, mixed-use development that represents the future of real estate development in Kenya. Today we focus on industrialization. With the recent launch of Kenya's Industrial Transformation Program by Waziri Adan Mohamed, the Ministry of Industrialization and Enterprise Development, this launch cannot be better timed. Kiambu has been and remains primarily an agricultural county. However, we recognize that in order to meet our development mandate to our people, we must, as a matter of necessity, do things differently. I'm happy to note that one of the first companies to set up a shop in this industrial park is Dormant. Karibuni sana Dormant, Kiambu.
I am really delighted and happy to be here today to really witness the launch of this very, very important initiative in the Kiambu County, and to see quite a number of investors who have already made commitments and hopefully others more to come along the way. We have embarked as a country on a very ambitious industrialization program that is looking forward for another 10 years to really take advantage of what is happening globally in the manufacturing and industrialization space. 10, 20 years ago, the entire manufacturing sector moved from Europe, the US, most of the Western countries, into Asian countries with China as a key focus market, largely because of the cost of production, because of productivity, and that is now beginning to change in a big way. Cost of labor is rising, cost of electricity, and the overall labor force is now beginning to change much from the lower end to a middle income group that are now demanding much more wages. So we believe that in the next few years, between 100 150 million jobs potentially would migrate out of China alone, not to mention some of the Asian countries, and look for other alternative places to actually manufacture. And so we believe that Africa is really at the heart of that opportunity. Many people are looking and talking to Africa to make sure that these opportunities are taken advantage of. And as a country, we want to be the first in the queue to make sure that Kenya is ready, prepared to make sure that we can take advantage of that huge opportunity that is coming our way. And how to take advantage of it is probably more important than identifying the opportunity. And that is how I believe Tatu City comes in really squarely into a key part of our program as government to take advantage of this very important opportunity.
Tatu City is going on well at the moment. We continue to sell land parcels within Kajani Ridge, which is our low-density residential area of the city, and also the Tatu Industrial Park, for which we're here today at the Industrial Park launch. We're doing well with the sales with Kajani Ridge. We've managed now to reach a milestone of 100 sales from 300 land parcels that we put on the market, and that's gone on very well since the launch in July. If you've seen the location recently, we've started building the fence, which is about 4 kilometres long. Within Kajani Ridge there'll be about 500 households once it's completed in 2020. There's 5 gatehouses as well, with the beautiful dam in the middle that we should start landscaping during the course of next year. We've surprised ourselves with the popularity of the product, and we're very happy with how sales are continuing. We still have quite a number of quarter acres remaining. We're actually going to extend the number of quarter acres that we have there because of the popularity of those, and we also have half acres available. The price ranges from 7.5 to 8 million shillings for a quarter acre, and for the half acres they range from 12.5 to 14 million shillings. Today's event was the groundbreaking or the launch for the Tatu Industrial Park. The Tatu Industrial Park is approximately 400 acres of serviced light industrial land. So it'll be no major noise, no vibration, no emissions, light industry. So our anchor tenant is Unilever. We're very happy with that announcement which came through last week. We also have Dormans, Kimfei, Palmer Industries, to name a few.